Hey curious explorers! Get ready to buckle up and travel around the world without even leaving your seat. Today, we are diving into the wildest, wackiest, and most extreme weather on Earth. From freezing places colder than your freezer to storms that can toss cars like toys, the planet is full of incredible weather wonders. So grab your imagination and let's chase some wild weather. 1. Hurricanes, giant storms that spin. Imagine a storm so big it could cover your whole country. That's a hurricane. It's like a spinning top made of strong winds, heavy rain, and big ocean waves. Where do they form? Hurricanes form over warm ocean waters, especially in places like the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. How big are they? Some hurricanes can be hundreds of miles wide. That's bigger than some countries. What do they do? Hurricanes bring strong winds, flooding rain, and huge waves called storm surges. They can knock down trees and damage buildings. Fun fact: hurricanes have names like Hurricane Katrina or Hurricane Sandy to help people remember and prepare for them. 2. Tornadoes, the spinning wind tunnels. Now picture a fast spinning column of wind that comes down from a storm cloud and touches the ground. That's a tornado, nature's spinning monster. Where do they happen? Tornadoes mostly occur in the US in an area called Tornado Alley, which includes states like Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. How fast are they? Tornado winds can spin over 300 miles per hour, faster than a race car. What do they do? Tornadoes can pick up cars, rip off roofs, and toss things around like toys. Fun fact: tornadoes can be thin and rope-like or wide like a big barrel. The biggest tornado ever was 2.6 miles wide. 3. The hottest place on Earth, Death Valley, USA. Let's visit a place so hot, it's like walking on a stove. Welcome to Death Valley, located in California, USA. Temperature record. It once reached 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than most ovens. What's it like? Very dry, very sunny, and barely any plants or animals. You must drink lots of water if you visit. Fun fact: even though it's super hot, some flowers bloom after rain like magic. 4. The coldest place on Earth, Antarctica. Now, let's bundle up and visit the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica. Temperature record. The lowest ever recorded was minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. That's colder than your freezer. What lives there? Penguins, seals, and some super tough tiny creatures like tardigrades survive here. Fun fact: Antarctica is so cold and icy that scientists say it's a bit like being on another planet. Weather fun fact: hurricane spins like a giant water-filled top over oceans. Tornado can be faster than a speeding race car. Death Valley, hottest spot on Earth, like a giant oven. Antarctica, coldest place ever, colder than your freezer. Extreme weather might seem scary, but scientists and meteorologists work hard to study it and keep people safe. That's all for today, superstars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And drop a fun comment, I love reading them.